Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and afternoon, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself and my research team. My name is Dudi Anggara Noviansyah, and my research team it was Dr. Admi Farani Rowli Siombing and Dr. Harman Rahman. And we are going to represent about my research, and the title is the Predicting Cost Maintenance and Repair on the Runway. Use Pavement Management System based from PCI value. First of all, we are going to tell about problem introduction. In discussing the problem that's occur, especially regarding the pavement at General Ahmad Yani Airport, it is divided into several items, one of which is increase in aircraft traffic at General Ahmad Yani Airport. Based on the projected increase in aircraft traffic in the years following the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a 57% rise in aircraft movements. This is expected to continue growing in the upcoming years, which could affect the repetition loads imposed on the pavement. And the second is decreasing pavement conditions since 2018 by 35%. The decreasing can be attributed to the repetitive aircraft loads which have been occurring since the end on the construction is in 2018, resulting in a 35% decrease. This condition will continue to worsen over time due to increased loads if no maintenance and repair activity. And the last is the no maintenance and repair implementation since 2018. The background about this research is by applying the pavement condition index approach, if no maintenance and repair or MNR actions are carried out on the pavement or do nothing, it will negatively affect the pavement condition and potentially leading to serious issues in the serviceability and flight safety. However, if maintenance and repair is performed regularly or do something, it will extend the lifespan of the pavement and the runway will return to optimal condition in the terms of service and safety. This will also have an impact on the cost associated with this implementation. And the methodology about this research, first is the pavement survey. This method is used to assess the condition on pavement. In this study, we are going to use pavement condition index method. And the second is the pavement condition. The survey results were analyzed to determine the overall damage condition, classifying the pavement according to the types of damage observed. And the third is the pavement standard. The PCI value, which represent the condition of the pavement at Ahmad Yani International Airport runway, were scored against to the standards set by FAA. And the fourth is the pavement evaluation. The standard value were used to determine the appropriate action to take based on the PCI value criteria. And the last is the scenario recommendation. Uh, were used to determine the best course of action based on the PCI value categorized as do nothing and do something, or in accordance with FAA standards. From the chosen scenario, the most effective and appropriate method for addressing the issues was identified. And the analysis of survey PCI, uh, to obtain PCI data and analysis of the PCI conducted through both survey and mathematical method, the following steps outline the PCI analysis process is, it was as a first step, PCI survey was conducted on the runway of General Ahmad Yani Airport, which has length of 2,056 meters and width 45 meters. And to obtain more detailed damage data, survey review was carried out in intervals of 10 meters, and the resulting, we are going to 256 sample. In the next step, after identifying the survey area or damage density measurement, we're taking based on the ESTM standard for PCI survey, and the damage on the runway was categorized by item accordance to these standards. And the next step, based on the survey result, the PCI for the years 2024 and 2024 was calculated at 70% or satisfactory. This is show a decline from the previous years. PCI from 2023 is at 74. And then the last step, to accurately determine the reduction in PCI, data gives from the years 2019 and 2022, during which no survey were conducted, were filled, assuming the PCI in 2018 was 100 or good, and the result of post-construction condition interpolation equation were used to estimate the PCI value 2019 and 2022 using the closest available data. Analysis for maintenance and repair scenario in determine the scenario approach is based on the existing PCI value from before method, which are then used to identify the type of treatment such as do nothing or do something. Determination is made by referring to the repair experience at Ahmad Yani International Airport and the FAA regulation regarding repair standards. And the following step is first it is overlay and leveling. Repair with overlay and leveling methods was are carried out under the do something scenario based on the repair experience conducted by Angkasa Pura 1 in 2017 and 2018. This was performed when the PCI value was 59 or fair. And the second is the overlay. Method with overlay performed under method scenario do something following the FAA standard, which recommend repairs when the condition is satisfactory. According to the PCI data, this was done when the PCI value was 70 or satisfactory. And the last is the scrap and filling overlay or SFO. Method is conducted under the do nothing scenario, assuming that the pavement needs to be reconstructed due to this poor condition, which PCI value of 41 or poor. And the next analysis is the cost budget. To determine the cost that will be used in running the method in scenario 1 and 2, and 1, 2, and 3, and several stages are used as follow. The first step, to the determined scenario is used as reference for deciding the timeline for major repairs, which will be carried out every 2 or 3 years, along with some minor repairs in intervening years. And the next step, to determine the thickness the layers used in the scenario implementation, data from flights between 2018 and 2024 are used for forecasting future increasing. And the third step, the flight data are input into the program FARFIL and COMFA programs, incorporating the existing condition after 2018 construction, following the previously determined scenario. And the last step, based on the thickness obtained, a cost analysis is performed referring to 2024 ASP. The inflation rate assumption is used 2024 inflation rate to confirm in the future inflation will increase, which is then apply in the future value formula to estimate inflation increase in the future. And the result about this research, the first is the scenario 1. In the scenario 1, using the overlay and leveling method, repairs are scheduled for 2026 and 2035 when the condition declines to fair PCI 59, with maintenance performed in the following years. The total cost for repair and maintenance is estimated 118 million. And scenario 2, using the overlay method, repairs are directly scheduled for 2024, 2031, and 2038. When the PCI condition is 70 or satisfactory with the maintenance performed in the following years, the total cost for repair and maintenance is estimated 66 billion rupiah. And the last scenario, using the SFO methods reconstruction in the schedule when the pavement is in poor condition with repairs performed in 2029 and 2041, or when the PCI condition is 41 or poor, and the maintenance the following years, the total cost of repairs and maintenance is estimated 122 billion rupiah. And the conclusion about this research, the PCI reduction model for General Ahmad Yani Airport based on linear equation from 2018 and 2024 data analysis result in a linear equation of the R is Y decline with a final PCI value of 70 classified as satisfactory. And the next is the pavement distress observed in the PCI survey at General Ahmad Yani Airport includes issues like bleeding, raffling, or weathering, cracking, and rotting. There are caused by aging pavement, heavy traffic, and environmental condition. And the last is Based on the analysis PCI value reduction, scenario 2 is the best option for cost optimizing using the maintenance repair method. In scenario 2, repair are carried out before the PCI value reach the fair category reduction cost. The total cost in scenario 2 is 66 billion rupiah achieved through a sustainable maintenance and repair approach, wherein overlay and minor maintenance in the following years. And the novelty about this uh, scenario lies in the preventive and cost-efficient repair strategy, which can serve as a reference for sustainable improvement at the airport. Thank you for watching my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.